The Midland Main Line is an important railway running from St Pancras International Station in central London to Leicester, Derby, Nottingham, Leeds, Sheffield and Chesterfield. For the moment, intercity and regional services are operated by East Midlands Railway, known as EMR, and previously East Midlands Trains. The part of the line between St Pancras International and Bedford is electrified and is also served by regular stopping Thameslink services. Back in the 1850s, the line didn't get into London itself, so a junction at Rugby on the West Coast Main Line was built to allow trains into London Euston. The junction eventually proved insufficient, however, to handle the continuously growing traffic. That led to extension plans down south to another station in London. Due to the lack of funding, the project was cut down to just reach Hitchin and then get onto the Great Northern Railway into London King's Cross. The lack of funding also meant that tunnels and bridges couldn't be built, and thus the line had a lot of sharp curves and gradients. In the mid-1870s, the line was also extended up north of the Yorkshire Dales and Eden Valley. This section of railway is today known as the Settle to Carlisle Railway. The line was also extended to Manchester Piccadilly. At one point, the railway even ran trains to Edinburgh Waverley, but these services don't exist anymore. It was under British Rail in 1958 that the diesel trains were introduced to replace older steam trains between Leicester and Nottingham. The trains now only took 51 minutes to travel between these two cities. Also saw a series of upgrades to increase top speed to 110 miles per hour. The part of the line between Bedford and St Pancras also required upgrades for its integration to the Thameslink programme. Station platforms were lengthened to accommodate 12-car trains, with the exception of Kentish Town, which couldn't be upgraded to 12 cars but stayed at 8 cars because of the bridges. West Ham Thameslink also got a whole new station building and footbridge. The current Thameslink Great Northern franchise, owned by Govia, was awarded in 2014, as before that, services were operated by First Capital Connect. Today, the Midland Main Line has a lot of potential with its continuously growing traffic. East Midlands Railway, the operator of the line, will also be receiving brand new 10-car Class 8-10 IET trains that will increase capacity, and that will be able of bi-mode operation to make use of overhead wires where available and run on diesel where unavailable. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, then please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and why not sharing the video. Thanks for watching.